Now, Kikimba, the Bessie Congo organized the initiatory schools of mysteries around true pillars. Kimpasi, which is the divine, Lemba, which is the civil, and Kinkimba, which is the martial. Kinkimba was the mystery academy of martial initiatory teaching, a mystery school of training in the art of war. The initiates were taught to have a valiancy, might, right? Spirit of might, to protect the clan and the land of the ancestors against their enemies, mandatory from the age of 7 to 13. You see, from the age of 7. And that's the reason why the missionaries wanted to get the children. Okay, so they wouldn't be sent to this Kikimba school to be taught and to rebel against the European teachers, the priests. So they took the children, killed their fathers and mothers and uncles, the elders, and indoctrinated the children to become Christians, pacifying them and the generation that followed behind them. The name Kikimba comes from the substantive Kimba. In his French Kikongo dictionary of 1932, Laman affirms that the word Kimba is equivalent to the French word valiant, that correspond to brave, courageous, valiant, bold, daring, etc. The initiates were instructed in how to temporarily manifest the Nkisi, the divine power, by the use of the word, which is the logos, the manifest expression of the fullness of the divinity in and around the children of Nzambi, Nzambi. Okay, the temporal manifestation of the logos, expression of divine force, yes, in Kinkimba is called Kitafu Maluangu, and the symbol of the temporal manifestation of the logos in Kinkimba is a python, and the python is called Mboma. Mboma. Now this python Mboma is also seen in the rainbow. So the rainbow is also connected with the Mboma, the python, serpent. Yes, and in the Kinkimba, when you look at the rainbow, one end symbolizes the tail in the Kalunga, in the waters, and the other end of the arc symbolizes the head in the Kalunga, in the waters.